Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's Monday, June the 28th, 2021. Three puzzles are left for today: a three-star Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. The second Sudoku I will solve is a four-star Sudoku. Yes, let me position the camera. All right. Yeah. All right. And this one will be number 3015. 3015. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. I've already counted. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6, need to wait. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then. Yeah. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there in this column. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the row B3 in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 2, 3. Let me see. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row, the third row. So no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in the last column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 6 and 9. Are left, yes, for those 2 boxes, yes, 6 and the 9. So we have a 9 in this column, the last column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in, oh wait. I cannot continue with the 9. All right. All right. All right. All right. 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. Okay. Okay. 8 8. Hmm. 5 5. Hmm. Yeah. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. One. Yeah. Five missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. All right. All right. 8, 8. Yeah. 2. 2, no, 3, 8, 3, 8, 8, 8, yeah, 8, 3 and 8 and 4, yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 8. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8 in this big square. We see here 4 and 8 in this row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 9. So we have a pair, 2 and a 9. That means that this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 6. And that box should be a 9. All right. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in the second row. For the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8, yes. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. All right, 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8 are missing and I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 8 are missing. No. We have an 8. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. And I cannot fill this yet. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. No. 3, 8, 2. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. Well, I cannot place a 2 here. We have a 2 there. Here also a 2. No 2 there. So in this row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. One number left in this big square for number 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 3 in the last row. 3 in that row. So in the row between. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, all right. Then 2, 2 numbers left in the third column. Those missing numbers are, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in... yes. Need to blow my nose. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. So we have a 4. No. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 8 is missing in this big square. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here. This box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. How could that be? A 4 stars. Because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And I have solved this in 13 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No, I think rather it's a 1 star. And although I have 24 printed digits, I'm very faster than the previous Sudoku with 25 printed digits. So you cannot tell. Sometimes you have a lucky with no pairs, or you have hidden numbers. In this case, I've solved this in 30 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary 1 and a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.